Welcome to the Autocad manual. Today, let us draw this figure. So, I will start by drawing three circles. The first circle has a diameter of 50 millimeters. Therefore, I will select the center diameter option. Then from this center point, I'll type 50%. The second circle has a diameter of 58 millimeters. Again, from this center point, I'll type in 58 and percent. And the third circle has a diameter of 90 millimeters. Therefore, from this same center point, I'll type in 90%. Now let us draw a vertical line from the common center point and extend it upward so that it goes beyond the first two circles. Therefore, select the line command. Then from this center point, I'll extend it up to this point here. Now, offset the line by a distance of 6 millimeters to both sides. Therefore, select the offset command. Then I'll type in 6%. After that, I'll select this line and offset it to the right, and then I'll select this line and offset it to the left. Then press enter. Now, trim all the parts that you don't need. Therefore, I'll select the trim command and press enter. After that, I'll trim these parts here. Now let me minimize the parts that cannot be trimmed. After that, let us apply the polar array command to this part here. This part. So I'll select the polar array command. Then I'll select this to press enter. After that, I'll select this point here to be the center point of the array. Now I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 8. So I'll type in 8 and press enter. And then I'll close the array. Again, let us trim the unwanted parts. So I'll select the trim command and then press enter. After that, I will trim all these unwanted parts. Now, let us draw two circles at the topmost point of the 90 millimeter diameter circle. The first circle has a diameter of 16 millimeters. So I'll select the center diameter option. Then from this point here, I'll type in 16%. And the second circle has a radius of 18 millimeters. Therefore, I'll select the center radius option. Then from this point here, I'll type in 18%. Now, apply the polar array command to both of these two circles. So I'll select these circles and then I'll select the polar array command. After that, I'll specify this center point here to be the center point of the array. Now I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 5. So I'll type 5 and press enter. And then I'll close the array. Now use the tangent radius option to draw a circle of 15 millimeter radius between these two circles, this one and this one. Therefore, I'll select the tangent radius option, and then I'll select this one to be the first point of the tangent and this one to be the second point of the tangent, and then I'll type in 15%. And now let us apply the polar array command to this circle, this one that we have just drawn. So I'll select the polar array command and then I'll select this circle and press enter. After that, I'll select this point here to be the center point of the array, and then I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 5. So I'll type 5 and press enter, and then I'll close the array. Finally, let us trim and erase all the parts that we don't need. So I'll select the trim command and press enter. Now let me erase the parts that cannot be trimmed. So I'll manually select them. And then I will erase this circle. As you can see, we are done.